Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing the most important crypto news for the upcoming week and also I will be giving out the best chart for the crypto world for the upcoming week. Please subscribe to our channel if you want us to keep releasing technical analysis and price predictions for free. Also like our videos and leave a comment. Let's start our analysis with the crypto news. As you can see here, a Japanese esports company is going to pay its players in XRP. Exactly, the company's SBI Esports actually announced that its esport players would receive salaries in Ripple going forward as a part of a sponsorship deal with the venture capital firm 𝗰𝗏. So what is happening right now is that the SB Esport is going to pay the player salary via crypto instead of fiat. So this is another news which is actually telling us how the crypto are here to stay and not to go. Let's see some other crypto news and some other suggestion. Okay, so what we see here, the Bitcoin bull Tim Draper reveals the secret of his altcoin portfolio. In other words, this guy was actually predicting Bitcoin to hit 250 US dollar over the next 2 years, which is actually a realistic prediction based on a mere technical analysis point of view. And actually, what Draper is revealing is that his holding include Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Tezos, and Aragon. As you all know, I'm extremely positive for Ripple and for Aragon. Also, Tezos has a very nice chart. Let's move on and let's analyze. This is actually the most important crypto news that kept my attention. Okay, so the whales are accumulating Ethereum as sell pressure falls. If you had the chance to watch my previous YouTube videos, I've been stating several times that every retrace for Ethereum will be a huge opportunity for us to accumulate Ethereum over the next weeks. And the reason is because I do predict Ethereum hitting 800 US dollar in 2021. I don't believe it's going to happen before the 2020, yet we are inside a very strong bull cycle that I believe is going to last at least the ascending phase of the bull cycle, at least till March and April 2021. So what is happening right now is that that's a very important thing. A similar accumulation pattern has been observed by the 100 largest non-exchange Ethereum addresses, which means the Ethereum's biggest whales. In other words, okay, the whales, while the price was dropping, were accumulating Ethereum. That's a very important news. Let's move on. The Estonian Central Bank is going to conduct digital currency research. Okay, this is another very important crypto news. And last one, but not less important, IBM, okay, the IBM executive says blockchain becoming a useful real business tool. So again, while since or till, let's say, 2018, 2019, many institutions were quite dubious about the crypto adopting. They were quite dubious about the blockchain technology. Now, as you can see here, the big whales, because IBM is a big whale, or let's say the big tech are starting to say that blockchain is becoming a useful real business tool. That's an extremely interesting article. Now let's move on and let's analyze the chart of the week. For this week, I've chosen OriginalTrail. So what I like about OriginalTrail is that we have experienced here a reversal pinball with a huge tail hitting perfectly the previous horizontal resistance, which is right now a horizontal support around 0.70. Okay, so very first support was here, 0.10, and second one, the actually the strongest one around 0.70 US dollar. So what we should be expecting from here, as you can see here, the MACD is partly below the zero and above the zero. The orange curve is still above the zero, while the blue one is below the zero. Yet they are too far from each other, which means we should be expecting a tightening up between the two curves. But as you can see here, the most important thing is that once we have experienced the ascending phase of the Gauss curve, this is a Gauss curve, okay? This is the ascending phase, this was the descending phase. What we see here is that we don't see enough volumes. Now, which is also a positive bad signal, because here for the reversal pinball, we would have needed a spike in volumes. We should have seen a huge increase in terms of volume. So what it could happen over the next weeks? What we see here, a double top, okay? So the projection give us a difference between 0.25 US dollar and 0.17 US dollar, which actually projected the price exactly here. So from here, I do believe we're going again to retest this area, 0.10 US dollar. From 0.10 US dollar, we could start accumulating original trail at the conditions that we see new upcoming volumes coming in place. So we need an increase in terms of volumes. If we see volumes like this, then we should be staying out, okay, from original trail. Yet if we see upcoming volumes coming in place, then we can definitely start accumulating original trail. And the reason is because actually we have already closed the gap that actually we can project by this double top. Also, this reversal pinball is telling us many things, which means actually the bearish force, the bearish pressure, okay, is coming to an end. Okay, so since it's coming to an end, because actually this reversal pinball is telling us that the bearish forces try to push the price even more down, but then the bullish force came in place, okay, with this body, with this very long tail. But here what we see is a doji, and then we are going to definitely retest 0.10, even 0.7 0.07 US dollar, okay, from actually where we have this key threshold support. Yet from there, I will be personally starting accumulating original trail only and if I will see volumes. In any case, original trail has a very strong technical chart, okay, it's quite interesting, and definitely we are inside a bullish trend. And again, this reversal pinball is the key factor that can actually push the price for original trail up. Thank you, guys.